Hey, Ralph, want to hear a joke?
Not really, Fozzie.
Okay, here's a great one. Why did the chicken carry his record album across the road?
I don't know, Fozzie. Why?
Because he wanted to hear the other side. Get it? Record album, other side? Pretty funny, huh? Whoa! Okay, so it wasn't so funny. You don't have to shake the house.
Yay!
Hooray! Fighting against a terrible storm, world-famous reporter Duke Gonzo raced to save the terrified children stranded in their tiny nursery.
Help!
Gonzo, I think your story's making everybody nervous. Could you tone it down a little bit?
No problem, Kermit. Suddenly, the freaky storm stopped.
Thanks.
When out of nowhere, a huge tornado ripped the little nursery from its foundation and carried it up into the storm cloud.
What's happening?
We're spinning way above the ground.
Just like Gonzo said.
We are?
Gonzo, you'd better get us out of this mess, or I'll turn your face into a pot holder.
Oh boy. Let's see. Suddenly, they heard calliope music. And
Go on, Dookie.
And the twirling nursery turned into a magical merry-go-round flying through the sky.
Come on.
Keep talking.
Hooray!
Okay. And the kids weren't scared anymore because this merry-go-round could take them anywhere they wanted to go.
Well, we can go any place.
I'd like to go to China. That's the place for me. I'd like to see their great big wall and help them build the other three.
Well, I could be on Asia if we got to Japan.
I can tell jokes in England. And the Queen's coming. Do they have the minutes in England?
I'd like to go to the North Pole to see the Eskimo chief.
He's gotta turn off the northern lights so Santa Claus can get some sleep. You know, they go round and around in the world. On the merry-go-round, merry-go-round, and around the world. On the merry-go-round. Let's safari in Africa
And talk to the chimpanzees.
Piggy, you can jog with the elephant.
While I tickle the ivories.
merry-go-round, around and around in the world. On the merry-go-round, merry-go-round, and around the world. On the merry-go-round. On the merry-go-round.
We could go to Egypt, where I'm the queen of the Nile.
The Sphinx could show you the facelift, so why not give him my smile? Merry-go-round and around and around in the world. On the merry-go-round, merry-go-round and around the world. On the merry-go-round. On the merry-go-round.
Hey, Gonzo, how do you land a flying merry-go-round anyway?
I don't know, Kermit.
Nitwit. We're gonna crash!
Hold on!
Nice landing, Gonzo.
Kermit, where are we?
Well, let's see. There's some tropical birds
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
and lots of green plants.
Worms. Animals.
I think it's past his nap time, Piggy.
And some monkeys. So I'd say we're probably in the jungle.
Jungle. Oh, he's so obnoxious when he's tired.
Hey, maybe we can sing him to sleep. Kid, I'm gonna tell you about the latest craze. I ain't seen nothing like it since my puppy days. All the boys and girls who used to scream and cry, well, they just can't wait to get to Betty by. Mama reaches down to get a goodnight kiss. Well, that's too late, 'cause they didn't wanna miss.
Good night.
Sleep rockin',
Rockin' the night away.
sleep rockin', rockin' my baby.
Sleep rockin', gonna party till the break of day.
Sleep rockin', sleep rockin'.
All you got to do is start to slipping off your shoes
And you brush your teeth.
And say your prayers.
and leave your cares behind you.
Sleep rockin', rockin' my baby. Sleep rockin', rockin' my baby. Ooh, ooh.
Dreaming in rhythm can be so much fun.
Once you hit the pillow, well, it's just begun.
Listen to the music playing in your head.
Like a big rock being on the edge of your bed.
Just try it once and I know you'll say, everybody sleep rock USA! Rockin' the night away.
Sleep rockin', rockin' my baby.
When you're sleep rockin', gonna party till the break of day.
Sleep rockin', sleep rockin'. Ooh, ooh. I've been rocking from New York to the LA shore. I almost don't wanna stay awake anymore.
Dancing and singing till the crack of dawn. I don't need a lullaby, I'm already gone.
People take you anywhere you wanna go. Close your eyes and you're the star of the show. Sleep rockin', sleep rockin', rockin' my baby. Ooh, ooh. All you got to do is start to slipping off your shoes, and then you brush your teeth and say your prayers and leave your cares behind you. Sleep rockin', sleep rockin', rockin' my baby. Nighty night, nighty night.
Oh, yeah.
Phew. What do you say, animal? Ready to go night-night?
We go bye-bye.
What?
Bye-bye, bye-bye,
Adam!
Stop him! Don't let him get away!
Animal, come back.
It's no use. He's gone. Animal?
Is that you? Yay! It's a lion!
A lion! Run!
He's right on our tail!
Run.
Quick! Hide in that big stone house! Phew, I think we lost him.
Hey, what is this place anyway?
It looks like an old pyramid or something.
Look at all the weird statues.
I wonder if they're booby-trapped like in the movies.
Let's see.
Gonzo, don't touch them!
The door's closing!
Yay!
Oh! Nice going, Gonzo.
This is terrible. We'll probably never find our way back home.
Listen, Scooter, sometimes when things look really bad, all you need is a little imagination.
Yeah, listen. I used to think that I was just a no-count. I used to think that I would get nowhere. But then I learned that when I'm feeling low down, I'm back up on my feet if I remember all my dreams.
I used to get to feeling so downhearted. I used to even hate the color green. But every time I think I can't get started, I think of all my dreams and then I'm right back on the beat. You got to dream for your inspiration. Dream of what you can do. 'Cause with your dreams and some perspiration, anything within your dream and it's within your reach.
I used to think that I was nothing special. That I was just another pretty face. Can you believe it? But now
so. And if you're wishing you could start all over, stop and realize you got your dreams and you'll be fine. Dream for your inspiration. Dream of what you can do. 'Cause with your dreams and some perspiration, anything within your dream and is within your reach. You got to dream of your secret wishes. Dream of your highest hopes. 'Cause if you dream, you can make your dreams come true. You got to dream for your inspiration. Dream of what you can do. 'Cause with your dreams and some perspiration, anything within your dream and is within your reach. You got to dream of your secret wishes. Dream of your highest hopes. 'Cause if you dream, you can make your dreams come true.
Gee, thanks, guys. I do feel a little better.
Okay, now let's find a way out of here.
All right.
Let's go!
Hey, I feel a breeze.
Look, there's a light up there.
I think it's an air shaft.
Yippee skippy, we found a way out.
Okay, guys, one at a time climbing out. Careful now.
Uh-oh. It looks like it'll be dark soon.
Oh, no.
Dark, what'll we do?
I know. We can sleep right here, and in the morning, we can go look for animals.
Okay.
Hooray! Good idea.
Kermit?
Yeah, Rolf?
Oh, well, I never told you this before, but,
Uh-huh.
I'm,
Yeah?
kind of scared of the dark.
That's ridiculous, Rolf. There's nothing to be afraid of. Right, Kermit?
Right, Piggy. Good things happen in the dark. Good things
Happen in the dark.
when you notice the daylight start to fade
In the dark.
That's no reason to ever be afraid.
Why don't you take
my advice? Nighttime can be oh so nice. Good things happen in the dark.
in the dark?
Without the dark, there'd be no
Gifts from Santa's sleigh. In the
There'd
dark.
be no moonbeam, no crickets serenade.
You know that
Life would not be groovy. There would be no driving movies. Good things happen in the dark.
Da-da-da-da.
So sing a song of fireflies and thank the stars above. 'Cause darkness brings so many things to love. Many things to love. Good
So don't you worry about those shadows on the wall.
happen in the dark.
You can make them into anything at all. And you will be
Happy as a lark.
if you
Just remember this remark. Good things happen in the dark. Good things happen in the dark.
good things happen in the dark.
You notice the daylight start to fade.
In the dark.
That's no reason to ever be afraid.
Why don't you
Take
take
my advice. Nighttime can be oh so nice. Good things happen in the dark. So sing a song of fireflies and thank the stars above. 'Cause darkness brings so many things to love. Many things to love. Good things happen in the dark. Good
Animal! He's alive! He's okay!
Hi, Animal.
Gee, I guess good things really do happen in the dark.
Okay, everybody, let's get some sleep, and tomorrow we'll figure out how to get home.
Yippee! We're going home tomorrow!
Good night.
Good night, everybody. See you on the other side of nighttime.
Nighty, nighty, night now. Good night, everybody.
Night, night. Camilla. Camilla. Camilla.
Hey, what's the matter with Gonzo? He's dreaming about his stupid toy chicken, Camilla. Camilla! If we don't wake him up, none of us will get any sleep.
Well, okay, Piggy, but be gentle.
Naturally.
Camilla.
Gonzo, wake up! You're driving everybody crazy!
Whoa, Camilla.
Ugh, yuck! Patooey! Gonzo kissed me! Ugh.
Gee, I'm sorry, Piggy, but I sure miss Camilla.
We know how you feel, Gonzo.
I don't think so, Fozzie. You just don't know what it's like when the bottom drops out of your life, when your reason to be disappears suddenly, and your melody loses its soul. Camilla, Camilla. Whoa, 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 whoa. Camilla. Bubbity, 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 bubbity. Our walks in the park, our talks in the dark are just faded memories. Our times all alone are the best I've ever known. Now they're gone, now they're gone. Whoa, whoa. Camilla.
Camilla, he needs you each day and night to make things go right. And if you don't come back to him, he'll never be the same.
And now what am I supposed to do? When my every breath was for you. When each day was a song with you singing along. Camilla. Camilla. Talk to me with your guitar, Bunsen. You just don't know what it's like when the bottom drops out of your life, when your reason to be disappears suddenly. Camilla, Camilla. And now what am I supposed to do when my every breath was for you? When each day was a song with you singing along. Camilla. Camilla.
Here, Gonzo, you can sleep with my teddy bear tonight.
Oh, thanks, Fozzie.
That's okay.
Near rooster. Cockle, cockle, doo.
What?
Gee, what What time is it anyway?
Time to get up and figure out how to get home.
What was that? Hey, it's a little creature. Let's see. Ew, he's even weirder than Gonzo. Huh?
Hey, isn't that a busted-up rocket ship over there?
Maybe he's an alien from outer space.
And he can't get home because his rocket ship is broken.
And if we fix up the alien's rocket ship, we can take him back to his planet and then use the rocket ship to get us back home.
Good idea.
Yay!
Now you're super.
Get some wire,
And some blue.
'cause we know
What to do?
gonna build a rocket to the stars.
We'll use our toys. It's gonna fly real far.
Pack up my flashlight, some tape and headphones too.
Countdown to Neptune.
Oh, please don't hit the moon.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Rock, rock, rocket.
To the stars.
Rock, rock, rocket. Right past stars. Rock, rock, rocket. In the sky. Rock, rock, rocket. Oh, bye-bye.
Gonna take a rocket to the stars.
I'll bring my telescope so we'll know where we are.
I'll make some sandwiches 'cause spacemen have to eat. I'll bring a parachute in case I have to leave.
A gonzo.
Hello?
Who knows what we might see?
Across a galaxy.
Maybe some UFOs.
What if they take my nose?
Blast off into the sky.
What question? Why?
On the tape, I bring the cooler home.
She's lost and I alone.
I'll bring my cookies to dip in the Milky Way.
One more question. Do you think we'll be gone all day? To the stars. To the stars. Rock, rock, rocket. There goes Mars. Rock, rock, rocket. In the sky. Rock, rock, rocket. Oh, bye-bye.
Gonna build a rocket to the stars.
We'll use our toys. It's gonna fly real far.
I'll bring my cookies to dip in the Milky Way.
One more question. Do you think we'll be gone all day?
Gee, guys, this rocket turned out neat.
Yeah, look at all those planets out there. Yeah, they're beautiful.
I bet one of those planets is the little alien's home.
Hey, I think he's pointing to that planet over there. Okay, little alien, into the escape pod.
Bye-bye, little alien.
So long.
We'll miss you. Bye-bye. Now how do we get home, Kermit?
Gosh, I don't know, Piggy.
Relax. According to this computer, we're almost out of spaghetti?
What?
Well, I never worked a rocket computer before.
It's okay, Scooter. All you need is a little practice.
Yeah. Cha-cha-cha. If you wanna learn to play like me, here's the secret, here's the key. I'm gonna give you our philosophy.
says automatic landing.
Yay!
Quick, open the door. Let's see where we are.
I'll get it. It won't budge.
Pardon moi, Gonzo. I believe I can be of some assistance.
You? You're just a pig. What could you do?
Wow!
Gee, I don't know where we are, Scooter, but that sure was a great landing.
Yeah, I guess if I practice, someday I could be a great pilot.
And I could be a famous comedian.
And I'll be an Olympic champion. And I'll be a famous movie star.
Oh, gosh, there must be something wrong with me. I don't know what I want to be.
You don't? Well, there are lots of choices.
Be what you wanna be. Do what you wanna do. Be what you wanna be. It's up to you. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Be a pilot and go for a flight. Take us all to dinner in your jet some night.
I'll be the first farmer in history to figure out a way to grow an ice cream tree.
You'll be what about an international spy? You could be an agent for the FBI.
Or you could be a singer at the top of the charts.
Of course you'd hire us to sing your background parts.
You can have the things you want if you know what you're looking for. There's a world of possibilities. All you gotta do is open the door.
Be what you wanna be. Do what you wanna do. Be what you wanna be. It's up to you.
Be a doctor and heal the sick.
Or a football star.
I can certainly dig.
Be a playwright, put us in your place.
Or you could be a teacher.
Give everyone A's.
Or a painter.
Or, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Thank you.
It's all up to you. Whoa, 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 whoa. What about an international spy? You could be an agent for the FBI.
Or you could be a singer at the top of the charts.
Of course you'd hire us to sing the background parts. Be what you wanna be. Do what you wanna do. Be what you wanna be. It's up to you. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Say, Kermit, you wouldn't want to be a professional wrestler when you grow up, would you?
Gee, no, Ralph. Why would I want to be that?
To fight that big giant coming this way.
Giant! Yay!
Run for your lives!
Help!
Fee, fi, fum, fum. I smell something tasty for my tummy, tum.
It's too late! He's got us!
Well, what have we here?
We're cornered.
What'll we do?
Listen, Mr. Giant, now that you've got us, what are you gonna do with us?
Not know yet. You play music and sing first.
What?
But,
It's okay, Kermit. I've got an idea.
you do?
Yeah, go ahead, sing anything.
Sing now.
Okay, hit it, guys! A 1, 2. Well, my mama said...
Turn up all the spotlights, let everybody see. I know what you really want. I'm going far.
She's going far.
I can't help being a star. There's no denying what we are. I can't help being a star. How about this big
He's gonna eat us!
Run!
Come back! Play more music!
Quick, hide in this mailbox.
Here he comes! Shh! Nobody home!
Aha!
Whoa!
Yay! He's found us!
There you are. What on earth are you doing in the closet?
Hiding from the giant, Nanny.
Nanny? Hey, we're home!
Well, of course you're home.
It was awesome!
A lion chased us.
You're the giant, Nanny!
Ooh, take it easy.
But it all started when the thunder and lightning came, Nanny.
I heard it too, Kermit. That's why I came right down to see how you were.
What? But Nanny, the nursery got carried away in the storm and landed in the jungle.
Oh, my. You all must be very hungry. I'll go make you something to eat.
I don't think she believes us.
Did you hear that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah!
Nanny!
Oh, Nanny!
Please come back. World famous reporter Duke Gonzo, brace to
Here we
see
go
the